ladies, let's put this wig on. So first I start out by applying some foundation to the wig cap. The package did come with the wig as well as 2 wig caps in there. I do just use the foundation that I use on my face. On the wig cap I have a separate foundation brush that I keep just specifically for that, and you just want to make sure it applies all over because it helps with how the wig is laid and how it looks. This is how the wig came. I did do some tweezing and things because when the wig come out, you know, people, it was giving Anya Elsa, it was giving it was just not it. Like, I was concerned, but as I said, I did finesse this wig. I plucked till my wig, I remove everything. This is just me showing that I removed the comb from that bit, because when it rests on my head it really hurts because I have a lot of hair that I cornrow and put under the wig. And then I just went ahead and place it on my head and pin these bits back just so they're out the way, and just pulling it down to make sure it's in the right place for when I go ahead and glue the unit. Also want to make sure that you cut those bits around the ears well, otherwise it can be really uncomfortable. And then what I always do is divide it in 3, just because I find that I can work with it better, gluing each section at a time. I went in with this glue that I bought from the beauty hair shop. I think I bought 15 pound feet. It wasn't bad at all. And I used the comb to apply it all along my hairline. I did about 3 different layers of this. I apply each bit after it goes clear, so I know it's all dry. But yeah, I just kept reapplying this until it was clear, just to make sure it was all tacky and ready for the wig to be laid down. So now I'm working section by section, and I'm using the comb just to press down the lace while I'm combing the hair back at the same time. And this is really good because it makes sure it's really flush against my skin. And then I go ahead and do that to each section, including the middle bit. I did have to tweeze back quite a lot of this hairline because naturally my hairline does not come down that far into my forehead, and I don't like when it's sort of too much, like it looks too fake to me. Now I'm just drying it with my blow dryer, and I'm going in with the wax. This just helps to flatten all the flyaways and also help when going in with the hot comb. It just makes it really sleek and flat. The goal is to get it as flat as possible. I got this hot comb from Amazon. I'll definitely link it, my Amazon storefront down below. I like it. I much prefer it as opposed to the metal one, because I do have a metal one as well. And right here you just want to make sure that you're going in over, just to make sure it's as flat as possible, especially this middle bit. If it's not flat in the middle, it throws the whole unit off, so I just really make sure I press that bit out. Okay, so after making sure that wig is secure, I just go in and cut the extra lace off using my eyebrow razor. Now I'm going in and taking out the baby hairs. Make sure to tweeze behind the baby hairs as well as on top, just so it doesn't look as thick. I don't like when it gives like a really thick baby hair kind of vibe. I prefer it to be a lot thinner. So this wig, I think the key to like wigs and making them look nice is just tweezing so they look as natural as possible. Then I went in with the Got To Be spray, and I just used that to lay down down the edges and to slick it back into the main unit itself. I did go ahead and change it up slightly. I didn't like how flat they were, so I did go back in with the mousse just to have fluffy baby hairs instead of it slick. But if you like this look, then absolutely you can definitely leave it like that, but I did go back in and change it. You'll see it in the picture later on. Now I'm just going ahead and sort of flat combing all of the unit, because I was deciding, do I want to leave it like this or not? But guys, I decided to cut it. I didn't want to look an edgy look, and it was not giving with the longer length, so I went in and cut a bob and it was giving. I absolutely loved how it came out. I'm just flat ironing everything now. I did it section by section just to make sure it was slicked down. It doesn't look as like fake or doll like once you do flat iron it, so that's really good. The unit did do well with sort of manipulation, really came out looking good. I was so impressed by this unit. I will leave all the information down below of where I bought this. It's AliExpress. I'll leave the link to the vendor as well. But all in all, this blonde is a vibe. Like, I really think it came out really well. So let me know what other colors you'd like to see me wear. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.